Hello everyone, my name is Malia. If you are new here, welcome. Go ahead and subscribe before we get started. So today we're just getting ready to go to California for a soccer game. We're supporting a Paris team my husband watches, so I'm really excited. If you like soccer, or as he says, football, drop a comment down below and let us know your favorite team. So now that you have subscribed to my channel and left a comment down below, let's get into the video. So we're actually going to Los Angeles, well, San Gabriel, because the game is at the Rose Bowl Stadium, which I've never been, so this is going to be a first. And of course, it's not a travel vlog without showing you the room. We are about to show you the room. So this is our house for the weekend.
Who that? Oh shit. Welcome to the crib. Needed. Make sure you always read this. You also always have the max room rates per guest. It's not here. So that means they be lying. Alright, come with me. Let's go check out the bathroom. Over here, we have the business center. You already know, handle business, wipe, wash hands. That takes us to the sink. You know, you have your soap, spritz, lotion for your ashy hands. Soap, mirrors, check yourself, check your rear. Every side is covered in here. Every single side. I honestly like, what were we saying? Our bronze trim on the mirror. It's vibes, especially with all the brown and
Gray.
It
looks homey to me.
Yeah. In a shower, terrible experiences in a tub, so thankfully there's a shower. Honestly, yeah, that's the rundown.
The mirror with the lights, like a vanity.
Like I was saying, when you're still checking yourself out, if you want a different scenario, look at this mirror, beautiful, top is open. You know, you got your safe, security, top shelf, every single layer is shelved for all types of storage. This side you have the iron, the hangers, of course the ironing board, because we're not ironing on the bed today. And then more standing space for your luggages, anything you need. We're making use of all of this space.
They have all these black and white artwork. Ooh! They have a coffee maker. Yeah, cool. She's sweet. And you close this, now you can see the true ambiance of the room. It looks way better. We have a couch. We have our fireplace on the TV that I put on there for the ambiance.
The drop over.
Is this a king or a queen size?
This is definitely a king. Facts.
And you have your dresser with the matching desk. Yeah, so that's the bedroom.
Oh, we about to watch our football match tomorrow.
A football match, so soccer. For those who don't know.
Yo, so I'm here with wifey, but Tammy is also pulling up. Tammy, our friend from uni, is coming up from San Diego, and he has his homies with him, so about to be a group of us, a solid group of us that's going to watch this game. And it's PSG versus Atlético Madrid. If you don't know anything, PSG are now the European champions. Atlético is just another powerhouse team. Good attack. Wicked striker. So about to be a sick game.
And right now we're going to Target because I need something to wear. We gotta charge our phones because both our phones are dying. We just left Target and I got a few things because we're going to a sporting event and I can't have a purse, so I got this clear bag that has a strap, two-tone, super cute. And I got some jorts to wear. These were on clearance, so I got some soft shorts because everybody needs some comfy shorts. Got this Formula 1 jersey to wear tomorrow, and it has pink in it, and the team's colors are red and navy blue, I think. So I thought this would also be cute because it's like sporty with the jersey and then it has pink in it. That's what we got at Target. And I think we're just about to go back to the hotel probably. We're going to dinner. We are at dinner. Well, we're gonna get dinner. We're at an Italian restaurant. He's taking out his retainer. Okay, so update, we're not getting dinner here because it is cash only and we didn't get cash. I have some cash, but not enough for like us for our dinner, you know? We're probably just gonna pick up something and go back to the hotel at this point. We're matching again. We were matching earlier and we're matching again now. Yeah, I got the pad, so I got that. Thank you
so much. I got the lychee cooler.
Got passion fruit, green tea with boba.
That's all you want.
I did some skincare, but now we're going to bed. And we ate our dinner and just watched YouTube videos. But yeah, now we're going to bed. Good night. See you in the morning. Good morning. I cannot sleep right now, so I'm up in the hotel on this bright light above me. I haven't even washed my face, but I did brush my teeth. I feel like I'd like to brush my teeth more now with braces because I do not like when my teeth like plaque is building up and stuff. But I feel like my teeth are already getting straighter. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning, so I'm waiting for him to wake up and then we're gonna get ready and go to breakfast. Okay, so I'm going back to the hotel room. But another thing is I really enjoy weekend trips because I don't like leaving my pets for too long. Yeah, they're at home, they get a pet sitter, but I miss them. And I wish they were here with us. And maybe I would enjoy like longer trips, but I really do love my pets. Those are my babies, so I want to be with them. He has woken up. Okay, hair is done, makeup is done, and we are dressed. And then I wish I didn't put mascara on the bottom because it's kind of making my eyes look dark, but it is what it is. And I just put my hair in like a bun with some curls left out, and then my little headband. I got makeup on my shirt, but do you want to leave them a note? So we're actually checking out the hotel. Hotel checkout is at 11 because, like I said, we're only here for the weekend for the game. So these glasses are so dark, it looks like everything is black outside. We're gonna go to the Starbucks. Oh, look at this, it's cute. We're walking. We had to get out of our Uber because we were literally at a standstill for probably 35 minutes. So we could have been there. It was so hot. It wasn't hot till we started walking.
Yeah, all that too.
But we made it finally. My makeup has sweated off under my eyes.
Ball game, 12 o'clock? Yeah, what did think about part 3?
It's okay, it's an experience.
Fully. Here they're gonna like.
Wow. Honestly, a lot has happened. We went to the game, which was so freaking hot. What?
First thing I thought this was on. What the fuck? Hot, sweaty, nasty. But we're out there and we're back and it was fun. That's what coming.
It was so hot and so sweaty. So what happened was we took an Uber from our hotel to the venue. It was only supposed to be a 30-minute drive. We came to a standstill on the highway for about 30 minutes. So our 30-minute drive turned into an hour. So we were like, the game is about to start. We're looking up how long it's going to take us for us to walk from the highway to the freaking game. 30 minutes. So I'm like, we might as well just walk because we've already been stuck for 30 minutes. So we get out of the Uber, we walk to the venue, then we're wearing Sambas. So my feet hurt. And then also packing water, obviously, because we were going to get water there. The team that he was supporting, they won. And then we went to dinner, or lunch, I guess. Early dinner, late lunch, pretty good. We shared a buttered chicken. We had some garlic naan. We had some samosas. Now we're getting gas so we can go home. And I can't wait so I can take a shower because I have sweated. And my makeup looks horrible. My hair does too. And I am literally in a whole new outfit. It's currently 2 in the morning and I just took a shower, did my skincare. I also washed my hair and now I'm in my PJs about to go to bed. So I'm currently at work right now. It's the next day. We got home at like midnight. We had to make a pit stop, so that's what took us a little longer to get home. But then we ended up going to bed at like 2 a.m. because we took a shower, as you saw. And yeah, I just got ready for bed. But we also unpacked everything and put everything away because I don't like to come home to a mess. And we also have doctor's appointments today after work. So I just didn't want to overwhelm myself. So putting everything up just made more sense for me. But yeah, I'm really tired. And my legs are actually sore from all the walking. But it was a really fun trip, and I would definitely do it again, just either at evening or in cooler weather. So yeah, if you watched this whole video, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.